What's up guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I want to talk about Weex. Weex is one of the best new exchanges if you are new to trading crypto or if you've been trading for many bull markets and many cycles. Why is Weex one of the best? Well, simply because they have a great exchange and also there is absolutely no KYC. So wherever you're from right now, if you're trading in the UK, America, Canada, Australia, wherever you may be from, you aren't going to have any KYC. And the reason why I think Weex is going to be amazing is simply because the trading interface is absolutely second to none. And I really want to talk about that in today's video. As always, guys, it wouldn't be an exchange tutorial unless I had a very juicy bonus. And to be honest, Weex has got one of the best bonuses out there. If you simply make an account with the link down below, you're going to get $100 completely for free just by binding your email and your phone number. That's it. No deposit, nothing. $100 completely for free. You can then go and trade this on a 10x or something like that. And that's $1,000 free trade, which is absolutely ridiculous in a bull market. That link will be down below, guys. Also, if you deposit $200, you're going to get $100 completely for free. So you can really start to see these bonuses can very much add up on these exchanges in a bull market when coins are flying, coins are going up in price a lot, and you're going to get a massive bonus from that. Of course, also there's $30,000 up to $30,000 of bonuses as well if you want to deposit larger amounts. But let's talk about Weex. Why am I going to be trading on Weex and what are some of the features it offers? So first of all, they have 1,000 BTC protection fund, so they are very well trusted. They have 1,000 BTC verified on chain that you can go ahead and check anytime. That's going to help if anything happens. Also, industry leading performance, usually 450,000 transactions per second. They have very high liquidity. So average daily trading volume of 8.71 billion from CoinMarketCap. And of course, it's available worldwide without any KYC whatsoever. So Weex received an investment from FSN, a South Korean digital marketing group at a valuation of $100 million. And Weex amassed more than 2 million global users. It's really growing like crazy, guys. They are hiring like crazy, and I am going to be trading pretty much one of the majority amount of times on this exchange simply because there is no KYC wherever you are. I travel to the US quite a lot and I can't go on other exchanges there like Bybit and others, so it's really frustrating. I just want a good exchange which has a nice deposit bonus to start trading on. So first of all, once you've made your link down below and you've claimed your account, you can go ahead and deposit. You simply just click deposit here. It's going to bring you up to this page right here. And when you have in fact selected which crypto you want to deposit, USDT, Bitcoin, whatever it is, just simply send it to that network. I have deposited around $250 just to play around with the platform a little bit, and I really like it, guys. I'm going to be depositing around 20 to 50K in the next day or so and really start opening some trades on Weex because I think it's going to be very nice. Of course, also you can deposit other cryptos as well, and you can go ahead and buy crypto as well. So first of all, let's talk about the futures. So futures is right here. As you know, I'm a big fan of futures trading. I've been doing it for many years now, since 2019, and I really think that it's one of the easiest ways to grow your capital in a bull market, of course, safely. So let's talk about this. Of course, if you traded before, you're going to know there has a very easy layout right here to trade with. It's super simple. So first of all, we got Bitcoin there, and you can go ahead and trade it right there. And they have many different coins available to trade if you want to go and trade TIA or Rune or Atom, whatever it is that you want to trade. Chances are that Weex will in fact have it. And they also have a demo account there where you can trade BTC or USD or ETH USDT as well. So of course, if you wanted to change it, you can just type the coin there and you can change it like so. At the top, we have the price right there, 24-hour change, the mark price, 24-hour high, low, and volume, and the funding rate as well. Also, moving down here, we have a trading view chart where you can go ahead and draw different things on the chart like so, and you can also add indicators as well here. For example, if you wanted to add the RSI, you can simply go here and add the RSI, and it's super simple. It's a trading view plugin. Most of you probably used TradingView before. On the right, we have the order book right here, all the buys and the sells right there. We have the market trades, all the buys and the sells, and we can see the order book right there. On the right side, it's going to be the place where you enter your trade. So here we can see cross or isolated. I like to trade on isolated. I'm going to click confirm. We then have the leverage amount there. So if we want to go long right there, we can have up to 300x, which is absolutely insane. I personally would not recommend trading on that. And again, here we have up to 300x on short. I would not recommend trading on that, but it's available if you wanted to trade it. If you wanted to throw $100, 300x, it's available to do so if you should so want to do so. We see here limit order, so we can go ahead and pick the amount of BTC we want to trade right there. Set the price, and it's going to enter. We have market order right there, which is going to allow you to enter much quicker in the market and potentially make the most of a breakout or breakdown quicker, but you're going to pay slightly higher fees as with all exchanges. And we have a trigger post only there, so if you wanted to trigger, set a trigger price and only put your order on the order book at that price, that is there as well. So we can see right here, we can see the amount there, we can see the open long, open short. We can add a take profit and a stop loss right there. It's going to add you your return rate right there, and you can set both of them right there, and you can set a short take profit and stop loss as well. So you can open the trade already with the take profit or stop loss right there. We can see right there VIP as well right here. If you wanted to go ahead and earn discount on your trading fees, you can just simply deposit with the link down below, and the more you deposit, obviously the better allocation on fees with the trading volume that you create. You're going to go ahead and get that discount. Down here as well, we have the assets. So if you do want to go ahead and trade futures, you've made a deposit but you see a zero balance right there, you need to click this little button right here, and it's going to transfer it from spot to futures. So we can go ahead and click all. I'll transfer around $250 right there, and we can see if we did want to go and enter a trade. Let's say we want to trade Solana, because many people like Solana, like trading Solana. We can just simply type SOL, enter right here. And let's say we want to enter a Solana long trade because we think it's going to go up. Let's go ahead and click open. We want to make sure the leverage is, let's put 10x leverage right there, confirm. So I'm going to open a market price because it's much easier for the purpose of this video. I'm going to click 100%. I'm going to open 100% of the trade right there, and we can see I'm going to click open long right there, click confirm, and then the trade is going to pop up down here. So you can see right here Sol long cross. I actually open a cross. Usually I open isolated, but it's fine for the purpose of this video. And we can see right there all the details. So we can see the details right there. We can click on that and see it in this version right there. It's much easier in my opinion, and much better. In fact, it's nice they have that. We can see here 10x Sol long. We can see the position size, the entry price, the mark price, the liquidation price 182, the margin ratio, the margin which we entered the trade with, profit and loss, realized, and auto add margin if you want, and you can flash close it or market close it, limit close it right there if you wanted to. Super easy to do. If you wanted to close the trade, you just simply click flash close. If you want to flash close it, we can see there we've made 46-cent profit. Amazing. I'm here all day for these trade profits if you did want to go ahead and make some profits. Again, down here we've got some more information, and that's pretty much it for how to trade futures. Super easy. If you wanted to trade short, it's literally just the opposite of what I've just done there, and all the same principles apply. Really easy to trade with. If you wanted to trade spot, you can definitely do so. Again, it's very easy. If I wanted to go ahead and buy some Solana, for example, you can just go ahead and click SOL. And don't forget, they have that 1,000 BTC insurance fund, which is absolutely massive. So you're pretty much safe and trusted. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and buy Solana. I've clicked on Solana. We have the Solana chart right up here we can see, and we can see the Solana chart right there. So I'm going to do a spot buy, market order, 100% of my available balance, and I'm just going to go ahead and click market buy. But first of all, we should know we just transferred the money to the futures account, so we have to transfer it back now. So we just simply go into here, we click on our balance right there. When we're back here, we just simply click transfer at the top right hand corner. And now we need to transfer it back to spot for the purpose of this video. So token from spot to futures, we need to change this from futures to spot. Click all, confirm, and that's going to transfer it back to spot. So now we go over to spot, and we should have a balance right there. We can see the balance right there. So we simply go to Solana right there, click So right there, and then we can go ahead and buy it right now, and we have a balance on the exchange now, and we did a limit order, not a market order. So let's see if that goes ahead. So that has in fact bought the Solana. We can just simply go to order history right here and see that it bought the Solana at 202.08, and the amount of sold 1.17 Solana, and we can see it filled it right there, fully filled. So that order is complete. Again, if you wanted to sell your Solana, you just simply do the same thing right there. Click market if you want to sell it on the market. Much easier. It instantly sells it, and you just simply click sell, and you're going to have the USDT back on your platform. So really, really easy to use. They also have copy trading right here. So if you weren't the best trader, or maybe you're new to copy trading, you can go ahead and trade and copy professional traders. We can see right here 700% profit, 300%. Just simply click on them right there, and you can see the trading pairs right there which they are trading. You can see all the losses and the amount of followers and the profit right there which they have made. Something really, really cool which I want to show you about is the daily spin. Now this is a limited time promotion, and you're going to be able to unlock it if you have certain spin volume. And we can see right here somebody won a Vision Pro right there. Someone won 3,000 WXT, $5, 30 WXT. There's many different prizes available. There's also a Vision Pro available as well. They are $3,000 to $5,000, which is really nice. So all you have to do for spot trading is have a volume of $200 or more. So if we refresh this, we may even have that available. So we can simply refresh this, and my internet is super slow right now. But again, we can see I can go ahead and spin it right there. I believe I have one spin available. So let's spin it, and let's see exactly what happens. So it's spinning. Let's see what we win. Why not? So again, you can just simply hit the volume requirements, and I won $1. Very nice. I mean, it's a $3. Why not? It takes a little bit of the money back on the trading fees. And again, we can see right here, you do the futures trading right there. And right there, and you're going to get access to unlock more spins. So pretty cool, a nice way to do. After you've had a day of trading, you can simply come on here, give it a spin, and see what you're going to win. It's a very, very nice thing to do. They also have up here the rewards hub. Again, all the rewards right here, the welcome bonuses, everything like that is going to be here. So you can see the reward history right there. And they're going to have multiple different bonuses and rewards right there. But again, don't forget, guys, if you did want to go ahead and join, the link will be down below. And honestly, it's one of the best deposit bonuses going, because there's no requirements. You just click the link, join with your name, and also add your phone number, and you're going to get a $100 bonus for doing absolutely nothing. If you then deposit $200, you're going to get another $100, and they've got up to $30,000 in bonuses as well if you meet those deposit requirements. So really, really, really amazing exchange, guys. Super easy to use. I'll have a link down below for you to join. I'll be trading. You're going to see many trades coming my way from Weex, and I think it's going to be a great platform to trade on this bull market. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.